was looking like a fool when I met you. All covered.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a three-part video, and I will be honest, it is going to be lengthy because we are going to have story time. I'm going to tell you guys how to save money that I recently discovered from a great subscriber when buying luxury handbags. And then the third part of the video is going to be an unboxing, but I feel like I do have to do story time because I'm sure you saw two videos before this where I did a YSL unboxing, so I feel the need to explain myself. So just be prepared. It is going to be a long video, but if you don't want to see that and you just want to fast forward to the actual bag, go ahead. But I do have to tell you, you're going to miss out on a really, really good tip. You guys, I'm so excited about this and I can't wait to share it with you, but it's a way for you to save money on luxury handbags, and I don't mean buying them pre-owned. So first off, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. And if you want to see this video on my YSL unboxing, as well as how to save money and then a little bit of story time, then keep watching. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, Amber, you bought a YSL envelope bag, then you returned it. Then you bought a YSL college bag. Well, guess what, guys? I returned it. I know you're gonna think I'm so crazy, but I have to explain. So I did that video on the YSL college bag. I told you I did tons of research on it, but then when I got it, I thought to myself, you know what, guys? I love this bag. It's so beautiful. It is the one I want. It's a little too dressy. I just felt like it was one of those bags that was beautiful, and I'm like, you know, for special occasions, I would wear my Chanel bag, so do I really need this? And I started thinking, you know, items like this are very expensive, and I didn't want to just waste my money on something I would wear every now and then, okay? So I ended up returning the college bag, mind you, after doing a lot of research. And then I returned it and I said, okay, I'm gonna go for the college bag. And again, I will link all these videos either at the end of this video or down below if you want to watch them in order so you can kind of see what has transpired. So I got to thinking to myself, okay, I know I was torn between these two bags. I really want the college bag because I feel as though the college bag is going to be more practical for my lifestyle. You know, I'm a mom, I do work full-time during the week, and I thought it was a bag I could wear to work as well as a bag I could wear on the weekends. And I got such a good deal. I told you in that video, the sales associate was going to give me 10% off, so I was saving some money. But for some reason, guys, when the bag came, I opened it up and I thought it was pretty, don't get me wrong, and I thought I was making a good decision, but afterwards I just got to thinking, gosh, you know, this is just so much money to spend on a bag that I'm just like a little unsure of. And I told you guys before, make sure to do your research. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna return this bag, and I just really need to think about it. I'm not gonna make any rash decisions until I think about it. And you guys know one thing that I do is, and I wish I could show you my little spreadsheet. Basically what I'll do on a piece of paper is I'll write all the department stores, Saks Fifth Avenue, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, and then at the top I'll put Ebates, and I'll see what each of them are offering for Ebates, and then I'll put event underneath of that, and I'll see some of them offer gift card events, like that's what Saks Fifth Avenue does, Neiman Marcus does it, Neiman Marcus does that as well. And I'll basically try to find the best value for my buck. Because again, it is an expensive purchase, so it's definitely something that you want to, you know, you're going to use, and you want to try to get the best price possible. So I was watching YouTuber, her name is Maria Vizuet, and she mentioned how she would buy a lot of her handbags from Harrods. So I would go to the Harrods website, and I did notice that they were priced a little bit cheaper, but it, you know, after the conversion rate, it was still a little cheaper, but not like that much cheaper. I hadn't made my mind up on what I was going to do with the bag. So one of my subscribers actually messaged me on Instagram, and she said, hey, you know, I want to tell you I ended up getting the envelope bag because of your video. This is what it looks like. And she showed it to me. It looked beautiful, and she said I ended up saving a bunch of money. So I started thinking, a bunch of money? Well, you know, how would she have done that? So I want to give a special thank you to my subscriber, Belinda. Oh my gosh, Belinda, thank you so much. Not only did you save me so much money, but I ended up getting the bag I really wanted. So I just want you guys to know how much I appreciate you. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for messaging me. I read all of them and I really try my hardest to respond, but you, Belinda, helped me so much. So I can't take credit for this particular portion of the video on how to save money because she actually taught me this tip, and it has nothing to do with buying pre-owned with it, which if you want to buy pre-love, you definitely can. That's a great way to save money. But so here's what she said. She said, well, you can go to the Net A Porter website. You know, the Net A Porter is, it's kind of, I would describe it as like a British Saks Fifth Avenue. So one thing I didn't realize for whatever reason, and I know I should have, but designer handbags are a lot cheaper if you go overseas. So I guess the United States charges an upcharge and designer bags are much more expensive. So she's like, yeah, just go to the Net A Porter website. So I went to the Net A Porter website and I saw a bag I wanted. Now it was in gold. It wasn't in silver. I really did want the silver, but I thought, if this is going to save me money, then the gold is fine with me. So I find the bag and you can choose US dollars. I chose US dollars. I put it in my cart and it was a little bit cheaper, but I thought, gosh, she told me she saved like a lot of money and I'm just not saving that much money. So what did she do? So I reached out to her and she said, what you do, and here is the trick, you guys. I'm so excited, and I thought that it wasn't going to work, but it did. So basically what you do is on the Net A Porter website, you change the currency to British pounds, okay? You change it to British pounds. So I changed it and then I added it to my cart, and you can do a conversion whether it be once you get to the PayPal website, you can see what the conversion is. I just kind of Googled it. I basically said, I have this much in British pounds, how much would it be in US dollars? And there's like a little conversion chart you can use. So I put it in my cart and then I went to PayPal to go pay. If you go to PayPal and you pay it directly from your checking, which can I just say would be something I would recommend doing anyway, because then that means you have the money. So many people will buy designer handbags when they haven't saved for it. And you guys, if I could recommend anything, it would be make sure you have the money, make sure you save the money before you do this step. So anyway, and I don't mean to preach by any means, but you just don't want to get yourself in any type of financial difficulty. So it would definitely be my recommendation to make sure that you've saved for something, especially since it is such a good investment. Okay, so let me rewind. So you put it in your bag. You mark the currency as British pounds, and then you go to PayPal. Now that's the thing. So at PayPal, I think if you pay with your credit card through PayPal, they're going to charge you like conversion fees. If you pay directly from your bank account, then it won't charge you any of the conversion fees. So I went ahead and I did that, and I'm like, oh my God, after taxes and everything, you guys, I'm not even kidding. I ended up saving, are you ready for this? About $1,000 on this bag. $1,000. You guys, I thought it was too good to be true. I'm like, something's not going to be right about this. They offered 3-day shipping. I got it in the mail yesterday. I opened it up. I couldn't believe it, you guys. It was so beautiful. Obviously, it was authentic. So I just want to thank Belinda so much. You saved me so much money, and I feel like that was my sign right there that this was meant to be. So again, it is kind of crazy. I'm not really sure how it ends up working there, but one thing I'm going to do anytime I'm looking to buy a designer handbag, I'm going to go to Net A Porter, and I'm going to see if they have it there first, and then I'm going to add it to my cart, change it to British pounds, and then pay through PayPal for my account. Now, like I said, the one bad thing is the bag I did get, I wanted silver. They didn't have silver, so I got gold, which I'm okay with because I do wear a lot of these like Kendra Scott earrings that have the gold plated plates on them, so I'm totally cool with that. So Belinda, you are amazing. So I wanted to share this. I told her I was going to share it with you guys too. I don't know if the Harrods website would do that as well. I've never bought anything from Harrods, but that's another one of those British department stores. So if you guys do this, keep it on the down low, because I don't know if it's something they just don't know about, but for whatever reason, the United States charges so much more for designer handbags, and if you don't have to pay that price, then why would you? So anyway, so now we're gonna get into the unboxing portion of this video, and so you can see what I did end up getting. So it came in a box like this. It was a net A Porter box. At checkout, you can choose whether or not you want just the normal box, or you can choose it, have it gift wrapped, and I chose that. You can also, one thing I like, they delivered it via DHL, so you could choose if you wanted signature confirmation or if you didn't. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you how. So I unboxed it and it came with tissue paper. Okay, and then this is all of the paperwork. So when you do look at the paperwork, it is going to tell you what the item is, and then it's also going to, you know, show that you paid in British pounds. Okay, so I open it. Here is, it comes net A Porter, and then your receipt is in here. So just like I tell you guys in all my videos, make sure to save the receipts. Okay, so it comes in the Saint Laurent dust bag, and this is the bag that I ended up getting. Okay, so I went with the Saint Laurent QUILT envelope bag. Again, you guys saw this. We're going full circle here. So like I said, the only thing with this bag is it is in gold. It's not in the silver, which is what I really, really wanted, but I'm totally okay with that if I ended up saving money. But you know, guys, when I first started this whole journey, this was the bag that I initially wanted. And even though the college bag I thought would be more practical, I thought, you know what, I can wear this bag on the weekend. You know, it doesn't matter. And I like the fact that you can wear this one as a crossbody too. So let me kind of do like an up close for you. You can see it's quilted. And I do have to mention, so another thing about the college bag, when I got it, it was in the chevron print, which I thought, you know what, this is really, really similar to my YSL camera bag. I'm like, it looks almost exactly like my YSL camera bag, except it's a little bigger, and I wanted to get something different. This one does look different. I love this quilt right here. I just thought it was so beautiful. It reminded me a lot of the Chanel bag, except this obviously is a lot bigger. This is like a grained leather. You guys, it's so durable. I don't feel like it's gonna scratch. I love on the back how it has a pocket. And then let me show you, open it up like this. Okay. So this is the only thing I wasn't like super crazy about. So you can see the chain right here. It's gold, but it's kind of like that yellow gold. I don't know, I'm not like a huge fan of that, but I don't care. Like I said, I ended up saving like $1,000, so it doesn't bother me that much. So this is just such a beautiful bag. So let me take the paper out so you can see what the inside looks like. So as you can see, there is a ton of space. There are no like extra compartments. It's just one big space. It does have a zip pocket. Saint Laurent here. It says Saint Laurent there. I just love this. And like I said, you can wear it as a crossbody. You'll have to excuse me. I do have sweatpants on. So let me show you. Okay. Okay, you're not going to probably... So you can wear it like as a crossbody like this. Or, let me show you, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, which is probably how I'm going to wear it. But listen, I know I told you the first time I did the video, but I love this. You hear that sound? I just love that. So this is what it looks like right here. I just like it. And then the clasp, it's a really firm clasp. So I think I'm going to love it. So like I said, I know we ended up going full circle. But if I can tell you anything, just follow your intuition. If you feel like something's not right about a purchase, then return it. I'll tell you guys, I felt so guilty. I'm like, oh my God, I got this bag, I have to return it. Then I got another one I'm returning. Don't feel guilty. It's your money, and if you are not 100% satisfied with it, then don't. And I want to say, third time's a charm, just like I mentioned to you guys on Instagram. I'm so happy because I was able to get the bag I want, save money. Again, Belinda, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I have such amazing subscribers, and you know, we look out for each other. So she told me that, so I wanted to share with you guys. So if you have any questions at all about my experience, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to help. Like I said, net A Porter, it was 3-day shipping. I got it right away. Apparently the returns are very hassle-free, which I love. But isn't this bag just so beautiful? And like I said, it's so durable, so I feel as though it's one of those bags that's going to last a long time and it's not going to get scratched easy. Let me show you right here. You can see what it looks like. There's the back. Such a beautiful bag. I'm so excited. So I guess this video wasn't too long. It was only about 16 minutes, but again, I wanted to share with you my story because I know you guys are thinking, what is wrong with you, woman? But I want to make sure if I'm investing my hard-earned money into a bag, that it's a bag that I really, really like and I get the best bang for my buck. And I thought I was getting the best bang for my buck until Belinda came along. So you, my dear, are a true treasure. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure to check out some of my recent videos. I did a recent YSL camera bag versus a Gucci Soho bag, and I'll probably do some more handbag comparisons because I feel as though for me that really helps if I can search YouTube for handbag comparisons. If you have any questions at all about my experience or how to do something, let me know, and I think I am going to love this little lady right here. So again, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you join me over there. Have a wonderful day, and let me know if you guys end up getting something from the website. Let me know how you ended up saving money. Thank you again, Belinda, and thank you to all of my wonderful subscribers. I will see you in the next video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya.